Good morning guys, Monday the 31st of March, I'm back, you guessed it, Leake Street, so we can do an update video here. There are a couple of really nice pieces down here, so I'll take you through and show you what's up. Pretty messy down this side. But it generally is, but only very occasionally. There's work down here that's had a lot of effort put into it. So we'll go down this one side, and then come back the other side, save spinning you around back and forth and making you dizzy. Worcester Park's finest. I recognise the characters, but I'm not sure what they're from. Drop a comment if you know. Nice chrome from Nice. The MF Doom character, I'm pretty sure that was ODWG, not 100% sure. A couple of advertising pieces down here. Gonna have to check out up close and personal, Sweet Lady. Be more Bob, guys. Rest in peace, background Bob. This is stunning in the flesh. I'm not sure how well this comes across on the video, but the depth on it and the contrast is really amazing. All these kind of muted tones going into like the really bright yellows. I think there's quite a lot of glare on that at the top, but hopefully you can take it all in. Very nice work, Doppel. Big Vino and Sky High Furry. Another Big Vino. Not sure if there's anything new in here. I did pass through, I didn't really recognise anything. Seems like they've been doing workshops in here, or people have just been grabbing cans and obliterating everything. And that Abraham's gone now. advertising stuff for charity. Possibly like breast cancer charity or something. This Abraham's still looking nice, got a couple of tags around it. There's another background bob up there. Sleepy Realms and Zebra Poser. Walls Mars bar is by Pad 303, that's been there for time. So we'll run back down this side. I'll show you the last few nice clean pieces. Of eyes from Tag. Portrait work from Slay. Some letters from Slay and an old portrait. It's been coloured in. A throw from X. Big up, mate, hope you're well. So that's it for today. I'll be back in a video probably next week, and I'll either take you over to the Westway or to Stockwell. So drop a comment, let me know where you'd rather see, and I'll see you in that one. Thanks for watching, drop a comment, give us a like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, if you like watching these tool videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.